Now, when I was a young M3, which was a foundation license, I thought it was really cool to shout, because my call sign was M3MCX. I thought it was cool to shout Charlie X-ray. All right, when I'm trying to break, with some pile up or some DX station or whatever, because Charlie X-ray is Uruguay, okay? But it's clickbait. It's literally clickbait. So this is a short video to say, just because you might hear other people doing, Charlie X-ray or bits of call signs, don't be tempted to do it. I mean, it annoys the hell out of me because sometimes you are the only caller, okay? And I'm just busy, I'm got my radio on, I'm doing my stuff, I might be live streaming as well, and you're coming in, and by the way, I'll make up a call sign, all right, Delta Lima 9 Alpha Bravo Charlie, and he comes in shouting Bravo Charlie, and I'm going, well, who's the Bravo Charlie? He could have just as easily said Delta Lima 9 Delta Lima 9 Alpha Bravo Charlie. I would have gone DL9 ABC, hello, you're 5 at 8 or whatever, and just gone on with it. Don't be tempted to follow the bad practice of other people. All right, in your book or whatever test you take wherever in the world you are, it doesn't say use a partial call sign, does it? So don't do it. All right, follow good. I mean, I might not be the best operator in the world, but I try and, in the main, follow all the rules and do nice things and be polite and all that things. You only have to watch any of my streams probably for 20 minutes to go, okay, well, that's a fairly good role model. I'll follow that one. All right, so there we are. Partial call signs. Say your whole call, not bits of it. All right. Next video's coming up here. In the meantime, have a lovely day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.